Welcome back to ZARPA's journey. Our vision for this interior is very simple. We focus on modern, simplicity, functionality, and warmly environment.
A functional layout is key to a great salon experience. We started with the essentials: sitting areas, workstations, and storage, making sure everything flows seamlessly for both clients and staff. The color palette we choose is neutral with earthy undertones. Think soft beige, baby pink, and hints of black for contrast. These colors create a calm, sophisticated environment where clients can feel relaxed and pampered. This is where Zarba truly comes alive. Personal touches that make the space ours. From custom wall art inspired by our Tangkhul heritage to family bonding that celebrate everything about a sibling. These elements make Zarba feel authentic and one of a kind. Every press stroke, every piece of furniture, and every detail bring us closer to our dream. It is incredible to see the space transform into something we have imagined for so long. That's it for this episode. What do you think of Zarba's interior design so far?